Welcome back to Mega Builds Pro. The latest transformation at Spotify Camp Nou is impressive. The pitch is fully in place. Structure works are intensifying and details like stair access, waterproofing layers, and support beams are changing fast. Let's break down everything that's been happening at the stadium this week step by step, with exciting progress clearly visible. Fans are loving the momentum. The transformation looks modern, dynamic, and extremely motivating today. Outer perimeter, barriers and structural additions. On the outer perimeter, crews have placed visual barriers and tarps to limit public visibility, usually a sign that glass installation is near. The street-facing reinforcements have also started taking shape, and new finishing work is visible on the upper walls. Brick separation layers and bolts on the structure are now in place across several zones, enhancing the overall build quality. The upgrades are moving fast. Each barrier signals new energy and architectural refinement daily. Third tier, beam installation and diamond corner progress. Up top, the third tier continues to rise. We're seeing more porter graders, those huge supporting beams installed and formwork panels being reinforced with planks for upcoming concrete pours. The diamond corner is showing clear signs of structural closure, with some zones even ready for header installation. Visual upgrades are obvious compared to just 2 weeks ago, reflecting intense and focused work. Camp Nou is changing rapidly. Steel, formwork, and manpower define its vertical expansion beautifully. Access zones, stairs, elevators, and ground-level work. Several access zones are now prepared, including stairs and porch frames near the street level. But key elevator cores are still missing stair structures. Workers are focused on aligning ground levels with stadium entrances, using compacted earth and paving materials to avoid height differences that could delay the occupancy permits. This may not seem dramatic, but it's crucial to Barcelona's return to Camp Nou, ensuring safety and structural balance. Everything must align before reopening. Accessibility and balance are crucial for operational readiness success. The pitch, fully installed and finished. The grass is now fully installed. No more talk about turf strips or final rows. What used to be a construction site is now a real pitch, marking a huge emotional milestone for fans. Leftover turf rolls have been moved aside while workers tidy up the surrounding edges and continue waterproofing the surrounding lower zones, making the stadium feel alive. The field looks absolutely perfect. Players will soon call this ground their battlefield. In North Gold Corner, concrete, formwork, and exterior finish prep. One of the busiest areas right now is the North Gold Corner. Concrete slabs are being poured near the parking zone, while formwork panels are now visible across upper levels, hinting at another round of large pours in the coming days. Steel and waterproofing sheets are being positioned across expansion joints, and metal guides are being placed for the final exterior finishes, bringing design closer to completion. Final touches are happening now. Visual symmetry and craftsmanship define this stunning corner beautifully. If you're enjoying these updates, drop a like and leave a comment below. What progress surprised you most this time? Let us know. See you in the next update. Barcelona's home is coming alive, brick by brick. And don't forget to subscribe to Mega Builds Pro because the pace is only getting faster from here, with more updates arriving soon. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Mega Builds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with fresh updates only here on Mega Builds Pro.